Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of Versatile Knowledge. So dark mode has been in the trend for the last couple of months. It all started when Apple announced that they will be natively supporting the dark mode on the iOS 13, that is the next upcoming iOS. Then after a few months, what happened is Facebook also revealed that they will be natively supporting the dark mode on the Facebook Messenger application. Recently, when Android Q's Beta 1 was launched a couple of days back, it also supported the system-wide dark mode. And now in this video, I'll be telling you guys how you can turn on the dark mode on Google Chrome web browser. This is a very simple trick, but it is kind of tricky as well, and it is hidden under the settings of Google Chrome. Let's get started.
In order to turn on the dark mode on the Google Chrome web browser on your Android smartphones, first thing is you have to go ahead and open the Google Chrome web browser or Google Chrome app on your smartphones. Just open the Google Chrome app, and on the home page there is this three dots menu. Just click on the three dots menu, and there is this option called settings. Just click on it and just scroll down, and there is this option called accessibility. Just click on that accessibility option. Next, just click on this simplified view for web pages and just tick that checkbox. Just go back, and right now just open any article or any website or web page that you want to read in dark mode. Let's consider I want to read this 1+7 article. I'll open this article, and there is this option that pops up called Show Simplified View, and we have to click on that Show Simplified View. And there on the right top corner of the screen there is this three dots menu. Just click on the three dots menu and click on the appearance option. Once you click on that, just click on this dark mode, and you can adjust the intensity by using the lever. And as you can see, your article or your web page that you are reading has been successfully converted into dark mode or night mode. This saves a lot of battery and reduces the eye strain as well. Let's check out for some other website and see whether this trick is working or not. Let's open this another article or another website. I'll open this article, and on the bottom of the screen you can see there is this option that pops up saying Show Simplified View. Once you click on that, you can read the article in dark mode. That's it for this video, guys. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content ahead. Thank you for watching, guys.